up on Scandal this week, it seems like Hloso finally gets a taste of his own medicine. I can't wait to see him go through the very same pain that it caused Madlomo when he was busy with Dintle. Madlomo and Mtunzi kiss, and it seems like they end up sleeping together. Hloso's going to freak out when he finds out. He's not going to enjoy Mbingwa Dintle, I tell you. Tutua gets in trouble. He hit Bafana with a bottle on the head. After Bafana said to him that he's always drunk, that's why he could not protect his sister. His sister ended up getting raped. Tutuka lost it and hit him with a bottle, and he fell. Twins then appears at the right time to save Untutugo. It seems like Tutugo and Twins are going to end up having a good relationship. Twins might just be the father that Untutugo never had in Hloso. Captain Cohen questions Dala about his whereabouts on the day of the heist, and Thapelo pays Pablo a visit and shows him a picture of Tiro. Now it should probably clicks to Pablo who say this Tiro guy lied to him. Akukho advocate ka Mzwandile Makeba la. This guy is Tiro's half brother or cousin and lied to him in order to get information from him. And then when the walls close in on Tiro, he goes to ask for money to run away from Usemide. Probably Usemide gives him the money because when he tries to flee away, it doesn't end well because Umdala has tampered with his brakes and he gets into a car accident. Obviously, Umdala's going to finish him off in hospital if he ends up in hospital. And then Poet is busy with Buyi. These meetings and photo shoot end up being lovey-dovey and kissing involved. Poor Toriso. Now, Poet is hardly home. Poet is always out. Poet comes home late. Will their marriage survive this Buyi girl, or it will crumble and they're going to end up divorcing? It's such a pity. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please stay tuned for updates throughout the week. Thank you. Bye.